This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials: Android version, enough storage, and that Google Play Protect is enabled. Once done, open the Play Store app and tap your account icon in the top right corner. Make sure Play Protect is active. This gives the scanner baseline safety. Next, go to Settings inside Play Protect and enable scanning apps from unknown sources if needed for third-party checks. This gets you into the app scan workflow quickly and ensures results are meaningful from the first scan. You'll run the scanner by tapping Scan or Check apps and allowing any requested permissions so it can analyze installed packages deeply. Once the scan runs, pay attention to flagged items. The scanner will show risky permissions, behavioral indicators, and source details. Make sure to expand details for each flagged app to see why it was marked. This helps you distinguish false positives from real threats. If an app was sideloaded, note its installer source. That often explains uncommon permissions and risk scores. You finish by acting on results. Uninstall or update apps the scanner flags, or revoke excessive permissions for borderline cases. Once removed or updated, rescan to confirm the risk is cleared. If an app won't uninstall, use quarantine features or safe mode to remove it. Make sure to restart your device and clear Play Store cache if scans fail or results don't update. This refresh often resolves detection glitches. If problems persist, repeat scanning after enabling stricter settings in Play Protect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.